Hey everybody, welcome back to our channel, Retired Renovators. I'm Carol, along with my husband Gary, who, there he is. We're renovating a 1904 historic home in Paducah, Kentucky. We've just finished the carriage house and we're getting ready to start the big house. But before we do, we've got a few more videos we want to show you, and today I want to show you how we built our floating shelf for our kitchen. I'm really excited about this shelf because it was pretty fun to do and easy and inexpensive, even better. So let me show you how we did it.
What was the other thing I was gonna say? Yeah. Uh-oh.
So I hope you could take just a second if you like what you're seeing on this video and hit the subscribe button and even the like button. It helps us with the YouTube analytics if you subscribe. It is free, it doesn't cost you anything. We don't come and haunt you. So just think of it as a nice Christmas gift. Christmas is in a few days, and we'd really appreciate if you would hit the subscribe button.